The cough. The causes. Call for information quoting from environmental stimuli, sugar and dust, sudden change in temperature, and smoking. The symptom. The symptom is permanent of the cough, coughing, coughing with muscle irritation, tingling and drain, throat sensation, cough sounding, clenched nose rendering or congestion. Coughing can make it hard to sleep at night. The how to prevent is help your immune system with sufficient sleep and healthy diet. Avoid alcohol or tobacco. Avoid very dry air and avoid close contact with people with colds. The home remedy. The home remedy is the with honey and vinegar, drink liquids, hot bath and treatment.